Hey y'all, Todd Wyatt coming back at you yet again, right here on the outskirts of Gaffney, South Carolina. Done found a nice little spot that hardly anybody must know about, that's for sure. But yeah, check it out. Whoa! That's right, I'm on top of the dam. Sucker pretty cool. See some cows grazing in the distance there. Pretty cool little spot. Didn't have any signs to get here or anything. We had to really look it up and try to find somewhere different. Because me and the missus done been to about all the fishing holes around our area. But yeah, ain't too much happening here though. But it's still cool to get some video. I'm pretty much standing on top of the waterfall here. Ooh, I bet that's nice. Come summertime. I'm still gonna try to wet the line down there where all those rocks are. Yep. Pretty cool little spot. I'm here in the backwoods, y'all. Knee deep in the country. Up here in Gaffney, South Carolina. Check out the cows grazing behind me over here. Check out all that steer. Check out all that steak. Sorry cows, just kidding. Moo! Check out all that damn cow. Bunch of cow. Alright, here's where we are, y'all. We're at the Furnace Place. Historic site given to the citizens of Cherokee County in loving memory of William Gladden Hunt Smoke Jr. The Furnace Place. All I know is there's a bunch of cow. Check out this pure 100% US steel right here. This damn mill. Like a water type mill. Man, that sucker's huge. It was in work at one time. Let's go check out the waterfall over here. Yep, I'm getting out here doing something on a Saturday, y'all. Right. There's a waterfall. There's the missus down here. She's trying to wet that line down there. Although there ain't much water and it's really rocky. We were on the top there a little while ago. Hey, honey. Redhead trying to fish. But yeah, pretty shallow. Just end up getting snagged more than anything. But yeah, nice little country spot though. I ain't hardly seen it but a couple people already. So, not too many people know about this spot, I don't think. Guess they probably do if they live around here though. Definitely looks like it'd be a good spot to come get cooled off in the summertime. Oh yeah, there's a nice little deep spot over there. Man, I gotta go cast it out down that way. Heck yeah. Heck yeah, I see a nice little deep spot. I got to go wet that line, y'all. I got to catch something. I haven't caught anything all year long. That's a beautiful little spot here. But yeah. Wish I would have been around back in the day to see that actually working. Water came from that drain up there. Had this sucker spinning, I bet. Straight down through there. Yep. Heck yeah, y'all. Out here doing the damn thing. That's all we can do. Get up off that couch and get out and enjoy nature, y'all. Enjoy what the good Lord's given us. Well, that's it for me. Unless I catch a fish, I will be signing out until next time. Peace. Check out this little orange belly. Told y'all I'd be back if I caught something. Hey. Oh, sorry. Video on the fish. Orange belly. Yeah, my first fish of the year right here. I swear that sucker's at least a pound. I know. I'm lying. But hey, first fish. Gotta be proud of the first fish of the year. Yeah. Wow, wow. Looks bigger if you put it close to the video. Close to the camera. No, not your butt. The fish, honey. The fish. My honey done run the cows off. Does look like it should be a decent little fishing hole right there. But who knows? Yeah, the cows took off running. I think I said something about steak and got them all scared.